Hi guys, it's Angie with Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm making an ice-dyed spiral. My shirt has been soaked in soda ash, wrung out with my Panda spin dryer, and so it's just barely damp. I also have it turned inside out. Beginning in the lower right hand portion of my shirt, I'm going to start a spiral using a fork. Then I'm going to tie it up with some rubber bands. I'm using a Gildan soft style shirt for this, and it's a V-neck, so it has seams that go down the side of the shirt. I've had issues with this style shirt, the seams kind of twisting on the shirt, and they're doing that on this shirt as well. So I figured that an ice-dyed spiral is the style that's going to work the best for this shirt. I'm going to muck dye this shirt, so what that means is I'm going to put my shirt down inside of a tub. I'm going to apply the dye to the top of my shirt, and then allow my shirt to just sit in the runoff from the ice and the dye. I'm going to use a washable marker and divide my shirt into 4 equal sections. So to begin, I'm taking some Midnight Blue from Dharma, and I have just a little bit left in a container, so I'm going to sprinkle that down in the bottom of my tub, right where I'm going to put my shirt. Then I'm just going to lay my shirt down on top of that dye powder. The top section of my shirt, I'm going to use Mermaid's Dream from Dharma. And across from that, I'm going to use Tropical Dream, which is also a Dharma color. The other 2 sections, I'm going to use Kingfisher Blue. Here again, that's a Dharma color. Then I'm going to put a generous coating or layer of dry soda ash over the top of my shirt. And since I have this shirt in a tub that is not very much bigger than the shirt is, I'm going to go ahead and just put my ice on top, and I'm going to put a little extra ice because I'd like for there to be quite a bit of muck for this shirt to sit down in. I'm just going to take the lid, put it on my tub, and set it aside. The biggest thing to remember when you muck dye is not to mess with or disturb your muck or your container in any way. So I'm just going to set this out of the way and wash it out about 24 to 36 hours after all my ice is melted. Alright, so here's what our ice-dyed spiral looks like. The dark blue areas that you see on the shirt are from that midnight blue that we put down before we laid our shirt down. Listen, if you guys are enjoying watching my videos, I sure would appreciate it if you'd hit the big red subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a great day.